The script is installed in directory, which is not path. During the installation process of Jupyter Notebook using pip, it said that scripts were installed in a folder that is not on path. Can it cause any problems? How can I fix it? Here is full log.
The answer to how can you fix it is in the very log you've posted. Add the location to the Python path directory. Rather than replicate instructions, you can follow this answer: add directory to Python path. Will this cause any problems? If you attempt to access that script without specifying the exact location, Python won't be able to find it. Only you'll know if that actually causes an issue for you.
For Windows, follow these steps. Go to File Explorer. Navigate to C, Users, your username, update a local programs Python 3832, your Python version, scripts. Copy this path, for example, C:\users \your username \update local programs Python 3832 scripts. Right-click on the computer, My Computer or this PC icon, select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings, on the left side. Enter your administrator password when requested. In the System Properties window, click on Environment Variables, near the bottom. In the Environment Variables window, search for path under System Variables. Select it and click on Edit. Add a semicolon to the variable value and paste the path you had copied in step 1. Close your command prompt window. Open a new command prompt window. You will now be able to run the commands you wanted to run.
For me, the solution posted by Steez didn't work and wasn't helpful at all. Thus I am posting it to update the thread and help the community. For those using macOS. Solution 1. Despite I had configured properly the $Python path, the terminal still wasn't able to find the package installed. So instead I opened the ~/.bash, or ~/.zshrc if you are using the new ZSH, available for macOS Catalina 10.15. X or newer, and pasted the following. Saved the file and restarted the terminal. Important, this is an example configured to my Python's path. Find yours and substitute. Solution 2. If it is still not able to find the package, there is another possibility, which is posting the alias pointing to the executable. So in the same file ~/.bash, or if you're using ZSH it would be ~/.zshrc, you can just append at the end. Save it and restart the terminal. Important, this is an example configured to my Python's path. Find yours and substitute. You can use it to point at any executable smile.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.